Hi everybody, I'm going to make a short video here. See one of our benches? Oh, look at that, somebody had a party. See, there's a mask, and there's some beer cans, and another beer can. Do you see them? A little walk. See, there's more beer cans over there by that. Do you hear that? I don't know if you can hear it. It's duck hunting season. People are hunting ducks still. You hear them popping way over there somewhere. Duck hunting. See, the sun's nice. Nice bright sun. There's another bench. McDonald's stuff all over. Right there. Yeah, it looks nice. Here's the river. See the river beside me? It's a Saturday morning walk. Yeah. There's the park behind me. There's nobody in the park or anything. Nobody walking. But it's such a nice day. Nobody wants to walk today. Oh, what happened here? Oh. Looks like somebody smashed one of those round lights all over the side on the path. Look. No respect. People walk on this path. And somebody has to do that. Somebody has to just put it right on the path and smash one of those bulbs. I use this path all the time. When you eat down here, there's garbage cans all over too. Put it in the garbage. See this bench too, there's garbage. There's garbage on that bench. There's the river. Nice river. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a yard sale. Wonder if I should go. Yeah, maybe I'll go. I just wanted to show you all these birds up here. There's lots of birds. See, look at this. Up here too. But I have to cross this bridge. See the bridge? But it might be slippery. Oh, gee. I don't want to fall. Oh, look what the birds did. Look at the birds. They wrecked all the garbage. Jeez, eh? Now we see some birds. I just want to show you all those birds at the other side. There's the river again. The path is all muddy because it flooded here. Yeah, it flooded this year. A little bit. There I am. There's some birds there. A couple of them. Oh, there's a bunch of birds up ahead. I just wanted to take a picture of that. Yeah, there's lots there. There's even some here. Oh, more birds there. Just seagulls. Lots of seagulls. Oh, they're taking off. All those seagulls. Oh, there's a goose. I think that's a goose. I wonder if we could take a picture of him. Look like a goose. Let's see. I wonder if you could see them. I'm just going up to here. You see all those birds over there? I don't know if you can see them. There's like lots. What happened? Oh, I must have turned it to a different thing. There. Now I'm back. Yeah, there. I'll just stand here. Let's see. I don't know if you could see them. All those birds over there. There's lots of birds. Tons of birds. Yeah, see over here. Over there, there's a bunch of birds. Okay, that's my Saturday morning walk.